In the previous lecture, we have discussed on malnutrition, marasmus and kwashiorkor. Today we are exploring micronutrient malnutrition. Micronutrient malnutrition refers to a group of conditions caused by the deficiency of essential vitamins and minerals. Micronutrient malnutritions are referred as hidden hunger since the deficiency are often subclinical and are not easily identified. So this is a case of hidden hunger, meaning thereby in the case of micronutrient malnutrition not only lead to severe illness, entailing long and costly treatment, but also influence physical and mental, psychic and susceptibility to infections. The case PEM that we have discussed earlier is sometimes also associated with micronutrient malnutrition. So both nutritional problem in developing countries and most vulnerable groups are preschool children and pregnant women. In children, vitamin A deficiency causes severe visual impairment and blindness. So gravity of the situation, let us see this approximately 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh white children become blind every year, and within a year about half of them die. So severity of the illness we can imagine. WAD also decreases immunity to various kinds of infections such as diarrhea, measles. These things also increases and is associated with vitamin A deficiency. Pregnant women often experience vitamin A deficiency in WAD prevalent countries that continues till early period of lactation. Survey of NNMB and ICMR reveals that 0.7% of preschool children and 0.3% adults have white spot, although its contribution to total blindness has come down significantly during last 4 decades. The signs of vitamin A deficiency are night blindness, xerophthalmia, keratomalacia, and in aggravated condition, it may also lead to complete blindness. A good account on vitamin A deficiency is given in PubMed article, The Eye Signs of Vitamin A Deficiency. So you are suggested to go through this. Slight wrinkling of nose. Here you are seeing conjunctival xerosis with slight wrinkling of conjunctiva. Here you are seeing white spot in conjunctiva due to keratin deposition. This is a typical case of corneal xerosis, drying up of cornea. The disease manifestation may also lead to corneal ulceration. This is a typical case of keratomalacia, keratin deposition. WAT is curable. We must undertake adequate amount of beta carotene in our dietary intake. Vitamin A does not occur in plant, but beta carotene present in the plant when absorbed by the intestine is converted into vitamin A. So proform of precursor of vitamin A is beta carotene, which is converted in human body into vitamin A. Here you are seeing from beta carotene we can have the pigments retinoic acid, retinol and retinol. As I have said, plants do not contain vitamin A, but many dark green, dark yellow plants contain carotenoids such as beta carotene, which is provitamin and can be converted by human body into retinol. In order to overcome vitamin A deficiency, food sources must contain beta carotene and it is available in vegetable, fruits and many other food sources.